Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to create a database that we can work with. So basically, database is a collection of all the relevant tables and schemas in one place. Okay. So if you are an organization, then you can have databases like database employee information, and then a database for let's say your finances and stuff like that. Okay. So there are two ways to create a database in PostgreSQL pgadmin. Okay. So one thing is you can click here and click on create database, and you can give the name to the database and click on save. That is how you create a database using UI. So, but we're not going to do that. We are going to see how to create a database using a SQL query. Okay. So click on any of this and click on this query tool, which will give you basically a query editor. Okay. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a command create database, and let's call our database sample db. Okay. So click on run here, and it says create database is successful. Okay. So now I'm going to go here and click on refresh, and if you see here, the sample db got created. Now inside the database, there will be a lot of stuff like schemas, and schema is where basically you store your tables, and there will be a lot of other functionalities. Okay. So that's how you create a database. So once you've created your database, you can start creating your tables inside any particular schema. Okay. So that's all for this tutorial. So in the next tutorial, we will see how to create new schemas, and how to start creating tables in your SQL. Okay.